Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Slam hanong claim yole video shot ba exam khana. They got exam going to strike and after that bang abun kam ka crack paper no. Tidak. Te minta pada ngadan ha. So bar khana hi minta ro dalam khana shane. Tin pini pada PC dan Ayusha. So bar ma. Makasih dah lah shane. Supaya bikin video hari bukun. Just peni PC the Ayusha so bar ma. Yang penyusung ai PC so bar lom na. Đây học kiều này nè. Wow, skin nó. Cái sẽ đi cái chỗ gì? Skin nó. Mangi thay vào pelas. Pegan coklat hay terus ini deh. Mana? Bukan raw? Hah?
She loves India very much. She has sacrificed so much for India. She was named Sita, meaning the dedicated. Swami loved India very much. She has sacrificed so much for India. She had a great amount of knowledge about India and spread Indian values far and wide. She wanted to make Indians, especially Indian women, to stick to their Indian values and virtues instead. She had a great amount of knowledge about India and spread Indian values far and wide. She wanted.
Brahma. Fiscal you. Mustang. Brahma.
Describe the Saraswati River as a powerful river.
That program open. Sakimi. Sampai cek sangga sini. Cek sangga. Kamu to do. Apa jaket? Hah? Kakus ada kakus.
The material records from
Em kisah
the
pelek yang
early
sudah
Vedic.
dalam cara.
Alright. The lot of decipher script are writing.
Ang ini datang di beat. Punya aku film yang ini. Story hi sana. Agak sudah. Saya kita debate kita
I hope you like this place.
Pengkerau.
Though it is very hot also, maybe you like this place. I'm very happy also to have our Babu, who is the oldest. We can.
Today, we'll start with third prize, okay? Ivan Balai Idai Meban Airi one side na lat mau sekian. Oh ini top 10 apa dah jadi. Ini di Ivan Balai. Idan mana? Ibalang bahar idai Yaman lan dindoa. Naklis no.
Ih, kayak lembar.
Ibalang berintong idai Ivan Kira Pamngai na RKM. RKM 12.
Net.
Oh, menu Balang Balai. Oh. Meban Airi one side. Third prize.
Susah kayak meningkong. Nenek. Ini belum meningkong sih. Tuh belum meningkong. Haler ha.
Oh, third.
Iya, dari Bangladesh tadi ini. So, dekat di program borok. Teh hoi ulayung se. Uli yang ni. Juga sekabas mah. Ya, nonton video hari ini teh sempat video mah. Bye bye.